Welcome to the week 12 of SWAYAM program on IT applications and libraries. In this week, we will be going to discuss various innovative technologies being adopted in libraries and information centers. We'll be starting with artificial intelligence powered library services. This is a topic which I am going to share with you. Learners, we are going to discuss today approaches to artificial intelligence versus machine learning and deep learning, types of artificial intelligence, library domains for artificial intelligence interaction, and finally, we will be discussing in detail the applications of artificial intelligence in libraries. Learners, artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines. It enables computers and systems to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Currently, the use of artificial intelligence has spread across industries, for example, business, science, art, education, etc., and to enhance user experience and improve the efficiency of the system. Applications of artificial intelligence exist in many parts of our everyday life. Say, for example, smart home appliances, a smartphone, Google, Siri, Alexa, etc. These are the daily we are enjoying these AI applications. AI is becoming ubiquitous with people increasingly accustomed to its presence. Artificial intelligence mainly focuses on understanding and performing intelligent tasks such as reasoning, learning new skills, and adapting to new situations and problems. According to John McCarthy, he is known as the father of artificial intelligence. He defined artificial intelligence as, quote, the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs, unquote. So, in this definition, it is very clear that artificial intelligence is a science and engineering of creating or developing intelligent machines that can mimic human intelligence. Learners, now let us discuss what are the applications of artificial intelligence. Various forms of artificial intelligence have successfully been used in a wide range of fields, including medical diagnosis, stock trading, robot control, law, scientific discovery, video games, and toys making, etc. So the applications can be grouped into 6 major fields. One is natural language processing. Natural language processing interacts with the computer that understands natural language spoken by humans. And the vision systems understand, explain, and describe visual input on the computer. Speech recognition, there are some AI-based speech recognition systems have ability to hear and express as sentences and understand their meanings while a person talks to it. For example, Siri or Google Assistants, that is a speech recognition. Intelligent robots are able to perform the instructions given by a human, that is intelligent robots. Next is expert systems, machine or software that provide explanation and advice to the human, to the users. Gaming, artificial intelligence plays an important role in machine to think a large number of possible positions based on deep knowledge in strategic games. For example, chess, river crossing, Enquin's problem, etc. So these are the major areas of application of artificial intelligence. So we will be discussing each one, especially the expert system in detail and the applications of AI, especially in the robotics. These two areas will be covering in detail in coming sessions. Artificial intelligence versus machine learning or deep learning. You'll find there is a artificial intelligence is a broader concept. Within that, there is a machine learning, and within machine learning, there is a deep learning. In artificial intelligence, there is a ability of machine to imitate human intelligence. And in the machine learning, algorithms to incorporate intelligence to machine by automatically leaving from data. And deep learning, algorithms that mimics human brain to incorporate in intelligence to machine. So these are the small differences in the AI versus machine learning versus deep learning. Students, now let us discuss about what are different types of artificial intelligence. There are three types of artificial intelligence. One is artificial narrow intelligence, another is artificial general intelligence, and third one is artificial super intelligence. Let us discuss one by one. Artificial narrow intelligence, it is also known as weak AI, that refers to AI systems designed to perform a specific task or a narrow range of tasks effectively. It is potentially uses voice assessment. It potentially uses voice assistant like Siri or Alexa, recommendation systems like Netflix or Amazon, AI in healthcare for diagnosing specific conditions, for example, detecting tumors in medical images. The second type of AI is artificial general intelligence. It is known as strong AI. It refers to AI systems with human like cognitive abilities. These systems can understand, learn, and apply knowledge a, across a wide range of tasks and domains without needing task specific programming. The potential use cases are robots that can seamlessly transition between tasks like a human, AI capable of performing scientific research or creative tasks, universal personal assistance with a deep understanding of multiple areas. Artificial superintelligence, ASI. ASI refers to artificial intelligence that surpasses human intelligence across all fields, including creativity, problem solving, and emotional intelligence. The characteristics of artificial superintelligence are ability to outperform humans in every cognitive and intellectual task, self improving through recursive learning and development. This is to be noted that the ASI remains speculative, and it is a topic of intense debate among scientists. Now let us discuss what is a different library domain for artificial intelligence integration. In the past 10 years, under the influence of new technology revolution, library has realized the physical space intelligence, information resource organization intelligence, service mode intelligence, and management method intelligence of library with the help of the Internet of Things, big data, cloud computing, RFID technology, artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and other new technologies. So let us discuss what are the various areas or domains where AI can be integrated. So it is clear from the we can integrate AI in cataloging, classification, periodical indexing, acquisition, interlibrary loan, user to loan, and reference service. Now let us discuss what do you mean by reference service. In the reference service, AI-powered chatbots or virtual assistants provide real-time responses to user queries. Tools like natural language processing improve information retrieval by understanding user intents more effectively. In the case of cataloging, artificial intelligence automates metadata generation and improves the accuracy of cataloging by using machine learning algorithm. And it can identify and classify resources from diverse formats like text, image, or audio. As far as classification is concerned, AI helps in automating subject classification and taxonomy generation for books and articles. Machine learning models can predict accurate categories based on content analysis, and periodical indexing AI can index periodicals using content recognition and summarization algorithms, making them more accessible for research. This ensures timely update and constant tagging. As far as acquisition is concerned, AI can be used as a predictive analytics and a recommendation system that assists in selecting resources tailored to user preferences and library trends. AI evaluates resource usage patterns to guide future acquisitions. Interlibrary loan AI streamlines interlibrary loan processes by automating requests and optimizing the matching of lending libraries. It can predict availability and suggest alternative resources. User to user loan, that means a peer to peer lending system, can leverage AI to connect users with others who have the resources they need. AI ensures secure transactions and fair access within the library networks. Now we need to discuss what are the applications of AI in libraries. AI can be used in computer vision, recommender system, robotics, chatbot, and expert system. What is computer vision? Computer vision is a field of artificial intelligence that enable machines to interpret, understand, and make decisions based on visual data from the world around them. It focuses on teaching computers how to process and analyze digital images, videos, and other visual inputs to extract meaningful information. Computer vision in libraries is transforming traditional operations and making them more efficient, accessible, and user centric. Next application of computer vision is barcode and QR code scanning. It is much useful for quick inventory management. Assistive technologies for visually impaired users. Computer vision can read text loud from the printed books or signs. This is an example of computer vision. This is an example of computer vision. Orcam My Eye. Orcam My Eye, the most advanced wearable solution for visual impairment. They get text read from any book or screen, recognize faces accurately, identify products. So this will be helping to read a book or any screen, and it will be having the ability to recognize faces and accurately identify various products. Digital interfaces on printed books, it is a combination of real with the digital. It merges the functionality of both the printed as well as the digital books. For example, this fingerlink is a prototype developed by Fujitsu that provides all the digital functions on a printed book. That means if you have the printed book, if you're keeping this in digital interface, it will turn into an hypertext content or hypertext page. Another is recommender system. A recommender system is a tool which gives recommendations to the user according to their needs or query. Basically, the main feature or function of the recommender system is to predict the user interest by relating the history, information, profile, and queries used, searched, created, and expressed by the user. According to their profile, according to their style and behavior, and the queries they searched, system can recommend the relevant books or other documents to the users. Recommender systems are being used to develop digital library system as well as other fields of interest. The usability and function of recommender systems are increasing day by day in different field of digital library system. ACM digital library recommendation, it is one of the example of how the recommender system helping the user to get appropriate document from the various library collections. Next, artificial intelligence applications you will find in the form of a robotics in libraries. Robotics is the design, construction, and use of robots to perform functions traditionally carried out by human beings. However, the term was first used by Czech writer Karel Čapek in 1920 in his play Rossum's Universal Robots. Robots are immense potential and are programmed to perform tasks like humans. The evolution of robotics could be traced back to 1954 with George Deville developed the first programmable robot called Unimate. And another development you will find in the year 1956, Joseph Engelberg, who is known as father of robotics, Joseph Engelberg, along with Joseph DeWall, set up the world's first robot company, that is Unimation. And if you check about the application of robots in libraries, many libraries have already introduced robots for shelf management and in the circulation workflow to search, find, and fetch book within minutes. A robot of the Tampines Region Library, Singapore, simply monitors the arrangement and placement of books on the shelf working at night. The Mansueto Library of the University of Chicago uses a robotic system to manage a huge collection of 3.5 million volumes. Santa Clara University Library uses automated retrieval system where three robotic cranes offer access to library documents stored in ARS system on demand placed online. The New York Public Library uses document delivery robots to bring books or research documents to patrons in faster and more efficient tag. The Bookbot automated storage and retrieval system of the Charles Library of Temple University. The University of Pretoria, in its Merensky Library, introduced the humanoid robot called Libby. The humanoid robot, Bfort, of Guelph Public Library, introduced in the year 2019. The Roanoke Country Library was the first country library in the USA to use humanoid robot called Pepper. Western Michigan University Library introduced telepresence robot experimentally around 2015. This is a AI robots in libraries. Robbie Library Inventory Robot. This is there in the Temsek Polytechnic Library, and the Roanoke Library Robot that is in the Pepper in USA. This is a Pepper robot, and there is a Robbie robot. And if we're discussing about the chatbot, I think we people are familiar with various chatbot systems, but the chatbots can be defined as the intelligent conversational computer system designed to mimic human conversation to enable automated online guidance and support. Chatbots are intelligent conventional computer programs that mimic human conversation in a natural form. The first recognized chatbot, Eliza, was created by Joseph Weizenbaum in 1966. Weizenbaum used pattern matching and pre-written scripts to deliver responses to users' inquiry based on keyboards. Increasingly prevalent in our daily lives, intelligent personal assistants (IPS), including Apple's Siri in the year 2010, Google Assistants in the year 2012, Microsoft Cortana in the year 2013, and Amazon's Alexa in 2014, represent an intensive investment into artificial intelligent bots with natural language processing skills. If you're discussing the history, we'll find one use of robotics in libraries is gradually gaining ground are AI mediated chatbots complementing the service of a reference librarian. Libraries have been experimenting with chatbots over a decade. In 2009, Emma the MPL catbot, a chatbot premiered at the Mendel Public Library in Ohio in response to budget cuts requiring staffing reduction. Subsequently, University of Nebraska Lincoln built a library chatbot called Pixel in 2010 and UC Irvine built its bot Answers in 2013. Another development you'll find the busy chatbot of University of Oklahoma library offers reference services to users via chat messages. The Kingbot chatbot of a San Jose State University library is another development. Kingbot. The Lehman Lightning Bot of Leonard Leaf Library at Lehman College of New York is another development. The T-Rex chatbot of the University of Calgary Library also offers a dual chatting options with the bot and with the real librarian. This is the homepage. You'll find the SJSU University where they introduced the Kingbot, the chatbot for these library users. Dear learners, let me conclude. Artificial intelligence is increasingly playing a transformative role in libraries, enhancing services, improving efficiency, and providing more personalized services and experience to users. From automated cataloging and enhanced research capabilities to virtual assistants and recommendation systems, artificial intelligence has the potential to streamline various administrative and operational processes. It enables libraries to manage vast amounts of data, improving access to information and making it more easily discoverable for patrons. Additionally, artificial intelligence powered tools can assist in curating content, organizing collections, and even offering recommendation based on users' preferences. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, its integration into libraries will likely expand, fostering more interactive and intelligent library environments, which ultimately support the evolving needs of library users in the digital era. These are the references which I have used to prepare this material. Thank you very much, dear learners. We will be meeting with another topic in the next class. Till then, goodbye.